QNT is attempting another breakout to the upside to give us a break above our key area of resistance above the $78, and at the time of this recording we're also holding above a key area of support above the $69.1. And on today's video I will be focusing on my long-term price prediction analysis, give you the areas that we can hit in this bull market, and above all give you the key areas of supports that we need to continue holding. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you my short-term price prediction analysis, there are high chances that we might continue pushing higher since we are holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support, and also the key area of support above the $69.1, give us a break above the $78, flipping it back into support, maybe with a successful retest. And the moment that plays out, then I will be watching for higher prices for the next coming hours on the QNT chart, having the $80 as my first target area, and a break above the $80, then I will be expecting an aggressive bounce back above the $90 in the next coming days. We also need to have in mind that since we have not yet managed to break above the $78, which is a key area of resistance, there is a chance that whatever we have information over here is the formation of a double top, having this as the first top, then we have the neckline, then the second top. And in the next coming hours, in case we get rejected over here, we can easily see a breakout out of this chart pattern to the lower side, since it's a bearish chart pattern, having the minimum target areas being given by getting the height between the tops and the neckline, then placing it below the neckline, giving me a minimum target area back below the $60.5. So that is another alternative scenario that we need to have in mind. And for that to happen, then I will be watching for a break to the lower side of this ascending trend line that I have here on the charts, and also a break to the lower side of the key area of support above the $69.1. The moment we lose that key area of support, then I will be watching for further breakdown moves. Also using the Fibonacci's, pulling the fibs from the lows that we made on the 6th of September to the highs above the $78, we can get a minimum retracement area for this movement over here into the area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is the golden pocket, and that lies between the $67 and the $64.4. And if by any chance we lose the fib level 0.618, then I will be watching for further breakdown to the fib level 0.78 that lies above the $60.7. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term. Jumping to the daily chart, here on the daily chart you can see that after making our bear market lows below the $40, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a 5-wave structure, which peaked above the $229, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. And after we peaked in that Elliot wave count 1, we saw a bit of a short-term pullback in an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and in the next coming days we might start that impulsive movement to the upside in this Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by pulling the fibs from the lows that we made, that is the bear market lows, to the high above the $229, then dragging the fibs to the lows that we made in this Elliot wave count 2, giving us a minimum target area for that Elliot wave count 3 above the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $354.9. And based on the current prices that we have at the moment, a bounce to that area will easily give us a 5x to the upside. Then we can expect a bit of a short-term pullback in an Elliot wave count 4, then continue pushing even higher in an Elliot wave count 5, taking us to new all-time highs and possibly giving us more than a 10x to the upside. So that is all I'm expecting here on the QNT chart for the next coming hours and also days. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.